what's up guys? We are back today with another explosive project. Now last night I had an idea come to me for an improvised desktop weapon, so today we're going to be making Alka-Seltzer grenades. Now the materials for this project are really about as simple as they can get. You're just going to need a box of Alka-Seltzer and some of these little plastic film canisters that you used to be able to find at photo centers. Now I got these ones at Walmart, but because everything's going digital now, they're getting a lot harder to find. However, you can find them all over Amazon for about 50 cents each, so I'll put a link in the description to where you can find some. Now the reason I like film canisters is because they're a really good size and they have a lid that just presses down into place, nice and snug like that. But if you can't find any film canisters like this and don't feel like buying them online, then just try and find some other comparable size container with a snap-on lid, like this. Alright, now the first step to making your seltzer grenade is to find yourself a roll of duct tape. I have a few camouflage rolls left over, so I'll be using that. And the nice thing about a roll of duct tape is the tape is the exact width of the film canister. So we're just going to need to wrap this around a couple times, and just like that, our grenade casing's got a really cool texture. Quick update guys, I actually took the last tape off of the roll. It was just enough to wrap around the container. Then I pressed the lid of the container into another piece of duct tape and used a pair of scissors to cut around the edges, and did the same with the bottom of the container as well, and here's what we've got. Now these white round Alka-Seltzer tablets are really what make all the magic happen, and priming your seltzer grenade is very simple. Start by filling your container about a quarter of the way full with warm water. Drop in one single tablet, pop the lid on tight, give it a shake, throw it, and run. Awesome! The seltzer grenade goes off with a bang, makes a pop that'll make anyone jump, and the coolest thing, it's completely reusable. Not only that, but if you catch it in time, most of your seltzer tablet will be salvageable as well. You can use it again. Now this seltzer grenade was inspired by the idea of the Alka-Seltzer rocket, which pretty much works on the same principle. Add some water, drop in an Alka-Seltzer tablet, pop on the cap, but stick it upside down so it rests on the table with the cap facing down. The pressure begins to build, and once it's too much for the container, the body explosively separates and gets thrown into the air. Let's see that one more time in real time. We fill it up about a quarter of the way with water, add one Alka-Seltzer tablet, press on the lid, give it a shake, set it down, and run away. And you can see, just like a real grenade, you get about a 5 to 6 second delay. Alright, so let's talk for a second about exactly what's happening during this reaction. Alka-Seltzer tablets are made of 3 main ingredients. They have aspirin, but they also have baking soda and citric acid, which you might remember are 2 of the main ingredients we used for the bath bombs in a previous project video. When the tablet's dissolved in water, the bicarbonate reacts with the hydrogen and the citric acid to produce water and carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide being released builds pressure until it's substantial enough to burst the container. So now that we've got our seltzer grenades down to a science, let's take it to the next level with airsoft BBs. Now the setup of our improvised airsoft grenade is pretty much going to be the same. The only difference is we're going to drop in a handful of around 40 to 50 BBs. So we got our seltzer tablet on the bottom, our airsoft BBs on the top. Now we simply add a bit of water, press on the top and throw it, and then get to a safe place extremely far away. Dang, that was pretty powerful. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was what I was looking for. So there you have it guys, that is how to make a mini seltzer grenade that you could use just to startle an unsuspecting victim or declare desktop warfare on one of your mischievous cubicle counterparts. Thanks for joining me for this video guys, I'll be looking for you in the next one. Talk to you then.
Smells good.
Yeah. It's effervescent. Hey guys, quick reminder that limited time King of Random t-shirts are now on sale. Click the link at the top of the description or visit randomgear.com. See you there.